Yeah, this is the 9th video now. So this is the 9th video for the third account. And then it's a 2-minute walk back home. Okay, we'll do the river walk. Selfie time. In the early morning. Waiting for those sons of the rays. Sun's rays. Now we've got our pathway back. Wait until we're back on the pathway. Oh, I stopped for other people walking their dogs, so it looks like just me here. Luckily, there's 3 different pathways. Actually, I was lucky I did do that short track because then I wouldn't have the 2-minute journey of actually walking down here and running into them, and then having to stop the video and restart a whole 9-minute video. It's freezing cold. You can see the cold expression on my face. Oh, I've got to check the time. Yeah, I should be getting back by 7:30 to load these. Oh, but it's Saturday. Hang on. I promised someone on the uni I'd watch them later. They returned. This seems so weird. They were 14 years old when they started, and they had a minor self-esteem, and now they're 18. In 2014, when we used to watch now, because there was music related, they'd usually sing. And so now, suddenly one has told everyone it's okay to come back to the live me era is over and done. Everyone wants to come back to the uni because they want to have someone talk to them. Oh, the tide is up here. I didn't realise the tide was up. Tide's up. It's at about the halfway mark. When I go back home, I'll watch the tide in the tidal water. The coldness of the camera suddenly got to me. You can see me shivering. Now this is where the wind starts. This is the part of the walking track where the wind starts. So this is cold air. Oh, it's so cold. Honestly, I don't know why I do these. In the 40 years of doing this walk, in the good old days, we didn't have the ability to use these paths. We had to make the paths ourselves. And as I get to this tree, we will swing around and I might finish at the 9 minutes. We'll stand here having a chat. I'll put the box of Lego down so I don't... There you go, box of Lego down. That was good, that bit of Lego. There, the freedom to discuss about everybody. There, this is the part of the river where I've got to point it down. And another fish just jumped up. There's the epic image there. Still got the frosty hue. There's the birds flying now. Okay, well, we've got 7 minutes there. Yeah, we'll leave it 7 minutes on this one. There you go. I'll get the Lego box and then we'll head back home.